Hello, I'm Sam Stovall, Chief Equity Strategist of S&P Capital IQ. In this week's Sector Watch, I discussed if the performance of small caps relative to large caps could act as a canary in the coal mine for a coming bear market. The other day, someone asked me if the eventual underperformance of small cap stocks relative to large cap issues could act as a canary in the coal mine or early warning signal for an impending bear market. My answer was no, since small cap stocks have historically beaten large cap issues during most full-year bull markets and actually kept singing during the first 2 years of the dot-com cave-in. Since 1947, the average total return for small cap stocks has usually exceeded that of large cap stocks in 5 of 6 bull market years. Only in the 5th year did they traditionally underperform, rising an average 18% to the S&P 500's 24% gain. So to think that small cap performances will serve as a canary in the coal mine, signaling with timely foreboding of an impending bear market, is unfounded by my analysis. However, by monitoring the long-term relative strength of the Russell 2000 versus the S&P 500, a believer in reversion to the mean would have witnessed the flashing red light of excessive outperformance in 1983, followed by the pulsating green strobe of excessive underperformance in 1999. Today, by this same measure, investors may be starting to take heed of the yellow light of caution as the relative outperformance of small caps over large caps has surpassed an important threshold. As a result, these investors are now choosing to tread very carefully when looking for small cap opportunities by seeking second opinions from both favorable S&P stars and fair value rankings. Please visit www.getmarketscope.com to view this report in full. I'm Sam Stovall, and I'll talk with you again next week.